Hey people, so we are at Milano ice creams, and if you were to take a look, this is how it looks. We are seated beneath a mango tree. If you can see there, those are mangoes hanging. And what we've ordered is, this is for 120 bucks. They've given us a, Ayush, what is it? Dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate and mango.
Yeah, so the cutest part is, in the same cup you can have two different flavors of ice creams. So it's a small cup is for 120, and since we've opted for two, it's like 60 literally. The reason I stress on all of this is because sometimes, at least in my growing up years, I used to associate cafes to be exorbitantly priced, but sometimes it's just so nice to be given this experience. And yeah, we are sitting outdoors, and this is how it is inside. And yeah, Ayush, how is the ice cream?
The extra dark chocolate is a 9.
The mango is really good,
Mango is 6.
and the dark chocolate is like, why did I be born on this earth kind of. It's pretty intense. So yeah, I think we're going to enjoy this, and these mangoes are making me so happy just being here. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. And Ayush, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate this?
This restaurant is 7.
Really?
Only because of the dark chocolate.
Yeah, it's a cute place worth visiting with enough car park space available. Thanks for watching, people. Please subscribe.